What if I told you that some solar projects lose weeks or even months because of mistakes that could have been prevented in a matter of minutes? After reviewing permit comments, AHJ feedback, engineering revisions, and rejected solar permit plans from across the United States, we discovered a pattern. The same mistakes keep appearing over and over again. These mistakes cost installers time, money, customer trust, and project delays. In this video, we're breaking down the top reasons solar permit plans get rejected and exactly how you can avoid them. Whether you're a solar installer, EPC contractor, project manager, or permit coordinator, this video could save you countless revisions and approval delays. Let's dive in. Why solar permit rejections are increasing. The solar industry is growing faster than ever. But as installations increase, authorities having jurisdiction, commonly called AHJs, are becoming more thorough. Building departments today expect complete plan sets, accurate structural calculations, NEC compliant electrical designs, proper equipment documentation, clear labeling, and safety details. Many permit applications aren't being rejected because the system is unsafe. They're being rejected because the paperwork is incomplete, and that's where many projects get stuck. Mistake 1: incomplete site survey data. One of the biggest reasons for permit revisions starts long before engineering begins. It starts during the site survey. Common issues include missing roof measurements, missing rafter spacing, missing electrical panel photos, incorrect roof pitch, missing attic access information. When engineering teams don't have complete information, they make assumptions, and assumptions often lead to permit comments. Imagine designing a structural package without knowing actual rafter spacing. The AHJ reviews the package and immediately requests clarification. Now your project enters the revision cycle. A quality site survey can prevent dozens of downstream issues. Mistake 2: structural calculation errors. This was one of the most common rejection categories. Structural concerns include incorrect wind load calculations, wrong snow load assumptions, unsupported attachment spacing, missing framing verification, insufficient roof capacity documentation. Many jurisdictions are becoming stricter regarding structural engineering, particularly in states such as California, Florida, Colorado, Massachusetts, New York. If the AHJ cannot clearly verify roof integrity, permit approval often stops immediately. The lesson: never treat structural engineering as a simple formality. It is one of the most heavily reviewed sections of the permit package. Mistake 3: single line diagram problems. The single line diagram, or SLD, is one of the most important documents in any solar permit package. Yet it's also one of the most common sources of rejection. Typical issues include incorrect breaker sizing, missing conductor details, wrong inverter specifications, missing grounding information, utility disconnect errors. AHJs want a clear understanding of how power flows through the system. If that flow isn't obvious, reviewers request revisions. Many installers underestimate how closely electrical reviewers inspect SLDs. A single mismatch between equipment specifications and the diagram can trigger a rejection. Mistake 4: NEC code compliance issues. The National Electrical Code continues to evolve. Many rejected plans involve code compliance issues such as rapid shutdown requirements, labeling deficiencies, conductor sizing errors, overcurrent protection problems, improper equipment placement. Different jurisdictions may adopt different NEC additions. A design compliant in one area may require modifications elsewhere. That's why permit plans should always be reviewed against local AHJ requirements before submission. Mistake 5: equipment mismatch. This issue appears surprisingly often. The permit package says one thing, the equipment data sheet says another. Examples include wrong inverter module listed, incorrect module wattage, battery specifications mismatch, missing manufacturer documentation. Reviewers notice these discrepancies immediately. Even a simple typo can generate permit comments. Consistency across the entire plan package is critical. Mistake 6: missing PE stamps or engineering documents. In many jurisdictions, engineering approval is mandatory. Some projects were rejected because required PE stamps were missing. Structural letters weren't included. Engineering calculations were incomplete. State-specific requirements weren't satisfied. Many installers assume PE stamps are optional. In reality, AHJ requirements vary significantly. Understanding local requirements before submission can prevent major delays. Mistake 7: fire access and setback violations. Fire departments have become increasingly involved in solar plan reviews. Common violations include insufficient roof setbacks, blocked access pathways, improper ridge clearances, Fire code non-compliance. Even when electrical and structural designs are correct, fire code issues alone can result in permit rejection. Always verify local fire setback requirements before finalizing layouts. Mistake 8. AHJ-specific requirements ignored. One of the biggest mistakes installers make is assuming every jurisdiction operates the same way. They don't. Each AHJ may require custom forms, specific notes, local calculations, utility documentation, additional engineering letters. What passes in Arizona may not pass in California. What works in Texas may require revisions in New Jersey. Successful permit submissions account for local requirements from the beginning. What the best permit packages had in common. After reviewing successful approvals, we found several common characteristics. The best permit packages included complete site survey documentation, accurate structural engineering, NEC compliant electrical designs, clear single line diagrams, consistent equipment documentation, AHJ-specific requirements, thorough quality control reviews. Most importantly, they were checked before submission. A strong QA process prevents most permit commits before they ever reach the AHJ. If there's one lesson from reviewing rejected solar permit plans, it's this. Most permit delays are preventable. The majority of issues aren't caused by complicated engineering challenges. They're caused by missing information, inconsistent documentation, and avoidable mistakes. A complete site survey, accurate engineering, proper PE stamping, and strong quality control. Those 4 elements alone can dramatically improve approval rates. If your company wants faster permit approvals, fewer revisions, and professional solar permit plan sets, investing in quality engineering from the start is always cheaper than fixing problems later. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with your team. And let us know in the comments what's the most frustrating permit rejection you've ever received. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.